Let's just tuck straight in and give it a try.
The pickled ginger adds a really nice sort of like tanginess.
A little zing.
A little zing. For a dish that is so packed with flavour and has quite a few different elements, it is incredible that this only takes 20 minutes to make.
For a meal that's so quick to make, it is proper healthy too. It's got loads of fresh veg and quite a lot of protein.
Yeah, which is why we absolutely love it, and we know you guys are going to love it too, so let's get right into it.
Since there isn't a huge amount of cooking that's needed for this recipe, the main things to do are preparing your veggies. We've started with the cucumber, which we've sliced into rounds, and then we're going to be topping and tailing the carrots and chopping it up into batons. You don't have to be super precise about this, you just need it to be small enough to enjoy being eaten raw. We're going to be removing any of the gross bits from the spring onion and then chopping it into a nice diagonal to make some pretty slices to dress the bowl with. And then the last thing to prepare is the nori sheets, which we're slicing into roughly 2 or 3 centimetre wide ribbons.
For the rice in this recipe, today we're going to be using this long grain and wild rice mix, but I think something like a sushi rice, of course, would probably be the best thing, a sticky jasmine rice, anything like that. But if you don't have that, then just a plain, simple white rice will also work super well. So we're using the McCartney vegan crispy shredded duck. If you can't get your hands on the vegan shredded duck, then you could do a crumbled up tofu. You could do it in a little bit of corn flour, whack it on in the pan, and you can add in the hoisin sauce flavour, because this product already comes seasoned with the hoisin sauce, and that's a really easy way of getting that protein that you need without having to go out and buy the vegan duck.
The vegan duck is super quick to make. It takes less than 10 minutes to cook. And once everything is ready, all you have to do is plate it all up. We do this by kind of going around the bowl in a circle, starting with your rice, and then adding in that delicious vegan hoisin duck. After that, we're going to be adding in the lovely edamame, the vibrant orange carrots, and the fresh cucumber. Next goes in the avocado that's been quickly sliced, and then on the side goes the nori sheets. In the centre of everything, we like to put the pickled ginger. Once it's all there, we're going to top that with our lovely spring onions, a drizzle of extra hoisin sauce, and then some black sesame seeds. And there you go. That's our super quick vegan crispy hoisin duck sushi bowl.
So here we have our vegan crispy shredded duck sushi bowl.
Yes, let's just tuck straight in and give it a try. Can't wait to try
I'm going straight in for that duck.
Same. There's no other choice. I love how fresh everything tastes. Like, sometimes when you have like a big bowl like this, it can be a bit stodgy, but this isn't at all. This is just so fresh.
We really wanted to let the vegetables kind of have their own moment, which is why a lot of it's raw. The raw carrot, raw cucumber, edamame beans, but each one has a different little role to play. Like the pickled ginger adds a really nice sort of like tanginess.
A little zing.
A little zing, and then you've got the creamy, rich avocado, and then when you pair that with the kind of very refreshing cucumber and that lovely hoisin flavour, and so quick. 20 minutes, it's essentially the time it takes to cook your rice. All the other bits can be prepared. So when your rice is done, it's ready.
Yeah, done and dusted in moments. As well, we did mention that this is a healthy bowl thanks to all of those fresh veggies, but it's also packed full of protein. There's protein in the duck, and edamame is a real like superhero food for protein as well. Absolutely packed to the brim with the stuff.
We figured it out, and this has 31 grams of protein per portion. That's a lot of protein in one meal. So we hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let us know down in the comments what you thought of it. Do you like these kind of healthy bowls, fresh sort of things? Because we love it. So if you want more of those kind of recipes, let us know down in the comments.
Yeah, and we've got loads more quick recipes just like this one, just as delicious. So we'll put some links up, go and check them out on our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.